So the new place, this is our dining room table.
We can put this in the middle of it.
Start combing your hair.
Do I? Here's our table.
Welcome to our kitchen. Cheers to the new place.
Some good coffee and good bagels.
So we got this mysterious package.
Stabbed.
We're in the new apartment, and the previous people that lived here left this mysterious box, and we don't know what's inside it. We're gonna open it.
It was supposed to be removed, but it wasn't, so we get to have a
present. It's a dead body.
Because we don't have a scissor.
What if it's a dead person?
It would have stunk by now. I think it's another bathroom mirror.
There's two.
Oh my god.
We were gifted mirrors. Well, we got some mirrors that we don't need.
Ah!
My butt!
I know! Did you give me the head last time I did this? Oh! Oh,
yeah! Refill.
You don't. You just put it to the front?
Seal.
You don't need first, you just need this.
My balls!
Oh, good. Oh, good.
We're doing the kitchen.
Oh my god, I saw Aperol, limoncello, something, spritz, and then I saw frozen Aperol. But see, like this would drive me crazy how they didn't paint this edge. You see it brown every time, but I love this glass in it. I love these rules.
This is your sign to go thrifting, because every kitchen thing is thrifted.
Yeah.
Because my mom's a beast. This is what we're rocking with. We got some cutie martini glasses. Gorgeous, darling.
So good.
All thrifted. Go to your local thrift store right now. And that. The kitchen is done.
Oh, okay,
That's all the kitchen stuff I own. We have to get pots and pans. Oh, and there's this storage too, but I don't know what we would keep up here because we can't reach it too easily.
Stuff you don't use
Top
much,
shelf
like a
is
popcorn maker or serving pieces or things for entertaining that you don't use that often. You should have a small bucket anyway. Of stuff.
I might need another paper towel.
Paper towel, yeah.
Yeah, see?
Oh, much better, see?
How do you squeeze them jeans?
Come join me.
This is so cozy. Gotta do it on the computer. Yeah, see? Oh yeah. There we go. It's like I'm in the dentist office. I can't wait to sleep over here. How about? How big is the area room? I thought you wanted to go toward the chair.
She's vacuuming. That's cool that it has a light. Do the stanky leg.